Hello! Welcome to another session of Unboxing Hiver. Today, I'm going to walk you through AI extract and automations, and how it helps your team pull the right details from emails automatically. Support teams often deal with emails packed with critical details. Invoice numbers, order IDs, claim references. The problem? They're buried in the text, and agents end up spending time copy-pasting them manually. That's where Hiver AI helps. With AI extract and automations, Hiver AI learns what values you care about and captures them from incoming emails, so your workflows keep moving without manual effort. All right, let's set it up. First, head to your shared inbox and open automations. Let's create a new automation. For the trigger, you can choose any from here. I am choosing New Conversation, Inbound is Received. This means every new email will flow through this automation. Next, we're adding AI extract as an action. This is what tells Hiver to pull a specific value from the email. Choose where to extract from: subject, body, or both. Now we'll tell Hiver what to look for. Add a clear name for the extraction value, for example, invoice ID, and click Train AI. Provide at least 3 sample values from your past emails. More is even better. I'll add a few examples here so Hiver can learn the pattern. Hiver AI will then search your shared inbox for matching conversations. Review the results and select the most relevant ones. This helps the model learn accurately. Great, now the training is complete. Hiver AI is now equipped to recognize and extract this value in future emails. It's ready to use in your automation steps. Let's put it to use. Add an action to add a note. Insert the extracted variable, for example, invoice ID, and pin the note for quick visibility. You can also @mention the team or a user so they're notified to review or confirm the details. You're all set. This automation will now extract and pin values automatically. Now let's see it in the inbox. A new customer email arrives. Based on our training, Hiver AI detects the invoice ID and pins it as a note. Everyone in the shared inbox can see it, are notified, and can act right away. No digging, no manual copy-paste, and that's AI extract. It saves time, reduces human errors, and makes important details impossible to miss. Give it a try, add a few samples, and let Hiver AI handle the extraction while your team focuses on resolving customer issues. Thanks for watching the video.